Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you with me through a little self-care Sunday cleaning routine, because Sundays are just my day to like get my life together, plan for the new week, and also do a little bit of self-care. I love Sundays. They're probably my favorite day of the week. I always look forward to them. I love cleaning the house and just like getting myself together physically and mentally. So I thought, why not just kind of take you guys along with me throughout my entire Sunday day routine. Now, I was in St. Louis over the weekend visiting my parents. If you're new here, I live in Columbia, Missouri, but I often drive back to St. Louis just to visit family. So basically, I just got home a couple hours ago, so I'm starting my routine later than usual, but I still want to make sure I have time to get everything done. I always make a list on my phone. Pro tip, if you are looking to get more organized, use the checkmark feature on your phone in the Note app. I use this for everything, whether it's something during the week or on the weekends, for school related, work related. I use it for everything, just as my to-do list. And I love having my to-do list on my phone because it's always by me. So for Sundays, I always make a to-do list for things to do around the house, work related things, and self-care related things. So I'll put a picture or a video insert of what my list looks like for today. So I have some things to do around the house. I have some self-care things I want to do. I want to shower, wash my hair. I only wash my hair once, maybe twice a week. So it's definitely a wash day for me. Then I want to blow dry it, curl it, all that. I want to do some face masks today, just take care of my skin, because as you see, I have a few friends that showed up this week, so I want to take care of that business. And today I'll also be doing my first session of my laser hair removal, which I will talk to you guys about that a little bit later in the video. But yeah, I'm going to start by just like cleaning the house. I have just little things to do. Our house is pretty clean, but I just want to do laundry, vacuum, just like clean the kitchen and bathrooms a little bit. And then I am going to do a quick workout, shower, and that's kind of going to be the schedule of the day. So I will just do a voiceover and bring you guys along with me through everything I do. I hope you enjoy. I hope it motivates you to get up and knock out whatever is on your to-do list, whether that's cleaning your house or working out, or maybe it's just some self-care that you need to do. But I hope this inspires you to do that today. So let's go ahead and get on into it. All right, the first chore of the day is laundry. I don't know why I always seem to start off with laundry before I do anything else for the day. So today I was washing my clothes and Kyle's clothes, and I also like to throw in our blankets and towels that we use throughout the week, just so we can start fresh for the new week ahead. I don't mind doing laundry, but I don't like putting clothes away. I think that's the worst part of laundry. Comment down below if you would rather do laundry or the dishes. To me, I would rather do laundry over the dishes any day. Next up, I am using my Branch Basics all-purpose spray just to wipe down our living room, coffee table. This always is one of the dirtiest places in the house because we eat on it and we have people over and just food and crumbs get everywhere on it. But I love this Branch Basics spray. If you're looking to go non-toxic, I highly recommend it. Next up, I'm just cleaning the kitchen, so I just spray down the counters, the sink, the stove, the kitchen table. I feel like this is my therapy. I love cleaning countertops. I don't know why, just like wiping countertops off is so therapeutic to me. I clean pretty much everything in the house with these microfiber towels also. I really love these for cleaning. Also, I feel like the kitchen never looks completely clean until you wipe down the sink. By the way, guys, this is my favorite hand soap. I just ran out. It's the Marshmallow Fireside by Bath & Body Works. So good. Okay, next up is vacuuming. Growing up, I hated vacuuming, but weirdly enough, it's become like my new favorite chore. I think because I find it so satisfying, like the lines in the carpet, sucking up all the dirt and dust and hearing it suck everything up. And I don't know, it's just become one of my favorite things to do. Luckily, I made my bed that morning, so that helped make the room look so much cleaner. Then I went downstairs to vacuum. Next up, it's time to clean the bathrooms. I am using the Branch Basics bathroom spray. Really love this stuff. I have to clean the bathrooms every weekend. That's what makes me feel like gets the house the most clean, by just scrubbing the bathrooms. I usually use bleach to clean the bathrooms, but I'm trying to go non-toxic. So let me know what non-toxic products you guys love. Next up, my favorite thing to do is go around the house and light all the candles. We have one in the living room, one in the kitchen, and one upstairs in our bedroom. So I just love the feeling of having all the candles in the house lit. So cozy. This is my favorite lighter. This is the electric lighter. It's chargeable. I got it off Amazon. It's really helpful. The reason I got it is because I found it so hard to light candles that were low, like this one right here. So this one just really helps you get in there. Feels so good to finally check things off my list. Next up is my workout. I have been working out from home a lot lately. I started Mad Fit on YouTube. She has a month-long workout plan, so I've been following that, and so I've been working out pretty much every day from home. Today I did a cardio and abs day. It was pretty intense. I finished off with some arms just because arms are my favorite thing to train. If you like to work out, comment down below what your favorite body part is to train. After every workout, I like to do a quick yoga flow. Fun fact about me, I've been doing yoga for about 5 years, and I love it so much. It used to be a huge part of my life. I had an Instagram account where I documented my entire yoga practice. I don't practice as much, but I do like to do a quick flow every now and then throughout the week just to stretch it all out. And I still hope to one day get my yoga teaching training license so that I can teach yoga classes on the side. Now it's time to shower. I love my Sunday showers. Those are the showers that I can just take my time in, wash my hair, my face, shave my entire body, do a hair mask. They're just so relaxing. I love to turn on music and just jam it out. It's been a week since I washed my hair, so it desperately needed to be washed today. Finally, fresh and clean. I love that feeling when you get fresh out of the shower. First thing I'm doing is putting on this body butter by Naturalina. This is their root chakra body butter. It's my absolute favorite. It is so smooth and creamy. It just melts on your skin. I lather this stuff all over my body after every shower, but I especially love putting it on my legs after I shave. You girls know there's nothing better than putting on lotion after you shave and getting into nice clean sheets at night. Time to get in my comfies. And then I wanted to do a face mask tonight. This is the Skin Detox face mask by Naturalina as well. I love their products. They have the best ingredients, and to me, these are the products that I find actually work. This detox mask feels so good on your skin. It's a really good exfoliator. We had the prettiest sunset tonight. I love that it's starting to stay light later. I did have a lot of work to do tonight though. Since I was home with my family all weekend, I didn't do any work and I still needed to plan for the entire week ahead. So I went ahead and sat down while I let that face mask sit. And tonight it probably took me about an hour and a half to plan for the whole week. Some nights it takes 1 hour, sometimes 2. It just depends what we have going on that week. Comment down below if you would like me to film a video all about how I plan for the week. After a long time sitting on my face, I finally got to take this face mask off, and my skin felt so smooth afterwards. Next up, I'm just doing my skincare routine here. I'm not going to go over all the products I use just because I do have a full skincare routine video up on my channel. So if you're interested in that video, I go all the way in depth over every single product that I use and why I use it. So I will have that linked here for you to check it out. This is the hair mask that I was talking about that I used in the shower. It's the Keratin hair mask by Professional. I love this stuff. You can get it off Amazon, and I swear I've never felt my hair so soft as I do when I use this stuff. Then my top product I would recommend is It's a 10 hair conditioning spray. I spray it in after I shower, and it helps so much with trying to brush out these curls. I use this wet brush. Highly recommend using a wet brush if you have thick hair like I do. It really helps brushing out all the knots. It doesn't hurt at all when I brush out my hair with this brush. The struggle of trying to find my part. It took me so long to find it here. The next product I use is this Redken Frizz Dismiss Oil. My hairstylist recommended this to me. I really like it. It seems to really calm down the frizz in my hair. And the last product I use is this Whey finishing cream. I use this as a heat protectant, and it just kind of smooths out my hair as well. The sun was going down, so sorry about the bad lighting here, but next up I'm just showing you guys how I blow dry my hair. I use the X brush. It's from Amazon. It's just like the Revlon blow dry hair brush. Works the exact same, works so well. I will never go back, guys. I don't know what I was doing before I had this in my life. It makes blow drying my hair so quick. As you see, I have a lot of hair and it's very thick. So this has helped not only make my blow dry time go down, probably cut it in half, but it smooths out my hair so much, and as you see, it almost kind of straightens it as I go. So the last thing I have to do is just run a curling iron through my hair, and this is the finished product. The heat just really helps settle my big frizzy hair. Okay, moving on to the most exciting part of the video. Today I started my first round of my at-home laser removal, and I am so excited. I could not wait to share this product with you after I tried it out. So this is the Even Skin Pulsar Premium Laser Hand Removal Handset. This handset is combined with the most advanced IPL technology that gets rid of unwanted hair permanently. I have been wanting laser hair removal on my legs, especially the bottom half of my legs, for as long as I can remember. No matter how often I shave, it seems to always be prickly, even after an hour after I shave. So not only is it so much more convenient for me to be able to do this treatment at home, but this device will save me so much money by not having to pay for years of treatments at laser clinics. Plus, this is going to save me from the pain and struggle of shaving and waxing constantly, which I usually do, especially over the summer when I want clean shaven legs all the time. Something to note is that this handset is suitable for all skin tones except the darkest ones, and it can't be used if you have light blonde hair. But other than that, it is super user-friendly. It took literal minutes for me to do both of my legs, and it's completely pain-free. I'll begin seeing results after about 2 weeks, and it should only take me 4 to 6 weeks to see complete hair loss on my legs. And then I might go up and do my armpits afterwards. I can't wait. I'll keep you guys all updated on the entire process. And Even Skin was kind enough to offer my subscribers a discount code, so if you are at all interested, definitely save some money by using the code Madison15 at checkout. I will have the link and code in the description box below. So nice. I gotta check off my workout, shower, do my hair, laser hair removal. There's no better feeling. Kyle and I decided to cook these Greek feta burgers tonight. We have been ordering from Green Fresh and we really love it. They never look like the picture, but I swear this dinner was so good. Definitely recommend. I would make it again. And we pretty much just relaxed the rest of the night, watched a movie, and we were in bed by around 9:30. As you can see here, Kyle is fast asleep, and that's the end of my night. Thank you for watching.